Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass.
Oh! Siz barışacaksınız, tamam mı lan?
Hi.
He's new.
Oh.
Gelme! Yıkılsın, tamam mı?
That is absolute.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
What?
Hello! Hello! Hi!
Can you just back up, bro?
Percy!
How do I pet? How do we... Oh.
You stop it. Get down. Get down.
It's pistachio ice cream!
Gigi. Aw, you got scared. You want me to turn your game back on? Okay.
They're very stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person that goes that does it for them.
No.
Bubbles, you couldn't be patient.
You cannot have an entire loaf of...
No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit. Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Yeah.
So... Oh my god.
Scared? You don't seem scared.
Oh.
What's that?
Georgie.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1200 euros de course par mois.
Meow. Meow.
Stop, you're not gonna like it. Been entertaining us in the studio for about 50.
Are you mad I brought a baby to your house?
Hoş geldin.
He's very loving and kind.
I told you it's not a good idea.
It is not nice to steal food.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Он вообще
It's gonna make it.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Hey.
Hey.
Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
Bro, stop! Why are you doing that? Quit!
Yo, branded.
Oh!
Lulu.
His tail. Oh.
Oh my god!
Pussy talented, it do cartwheels. And
Princess!
Watch your head.
Look!
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
This dumbass fell asleep in the water.
Let's find out.
Don't bite his tail. Oh, it's cold.
Olive, why are you sitting on your brother's head?
Say cheese butt.
You're done.
I mean, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just